The peer review process, you go through each of these criterion, having carefully considered the creator project, and first assign a rating and then provide an explanation. And as I keep saying good job. Yes, if I give this person a 4 for the aim, saying good job, that's typically not useful, okay? Not useful. You want to give substantive feedback, suggestions, constructive advice, and recommendations. You want to share your experience. And as you can see, this text box for each criterion is quite large, so you can fit a lot in there. Now, you do need, in order to be able to submit peer review, you must have assigned a numerical rating for each criterion and all of them. And then you must have provided a substantive explanation. 2 words will not be enough for you to be able to submit your feedback. And actually, until you've met all these requirements, you can click on Go to Project Status. And this will show you that your review is incomplete and that you've been asked to contribute feedback, and all of the requirements must be complete in order to submit the feedback. So this button will only light up and you'll only be able to click submit feedback once you have assigned a rating for each of the criterion and all of them and provided substantive explanations, not a couple of words. That will not do, that will not be good enough before you can actually submit your plan. And then you will see the submit button down here. Until then, you'll see project status.